A comprehensive overview. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from harmful pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi, as well as abnormal cells like cancer cells. It serves as the body's defense mechanism, constantly monitoring for invaders and mounting a response to eliminate them. This intricate system plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Anatomy of the immune system. Primary lymphoid organs. Bone marrow. This spongy tissue found within bones is where all blood cells, including immune cells, are produced. It serves as the primary site for the generation of white blood cells, leukocytes, including B cells, which play a vital role in antibody production. Thymus. Located behind the breastbone. The thymus is crucial for the development and maturation of T cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a central role in cell-mediated immunity. Secondary lymphoid organs. Lymph nodes. These small, bean-shaped structures are distributed throughout the body and act as filters for lymphatic fluid. Lymph nodes contain immune cells, such as B cells and T cells, which help to trap and destroy pathogens present in the lymph. Spleen. As the largest secondary lymphoid organ, the spleen acts as a blood filter and reservoir. It contains specialized white blood cells called macrophages, which remove old or damaged red blood cells and capture pathogens for destruction by other immune cells. Mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, MALT, found in mucosal linings of various organs, such as the digestive tract, respiratory tract, and genital tract. MALT serves as a frontline defense against pathogens that enter the body through these routes. Components of the immune system. White blood cells, leukocytes, granulocytes. These include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, which are characterized by the presence of granules in their cytoplasm. Neutrophils are the most abundant type and are essential for engulfing and destroying pathogens through a process called phagocytosis. Monocytes, macrophages. Monocytes circulate in the bloodstream and, upon entering tissues, differentiate into macrophages. Macrophages are phagocytic cells that engulf and digest pathogens, dead cells, and debris. They also play a critical role in presenting antigens to activate other immune cells. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are key players in adaptive immunity and include B cells, T cells, and natural killer, NK, cells. B cells produce antibodies that recognize and neutralize specific pathogens, while T cells coordinate immune responses and directly kill infected or abnormal cells. NK cells are responsible for detecting and destroying virus-infected and cancerous cells. Antibodies. Antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, are proteins produced by B cells in response to the presence of foreign substances, antigens, in the body. They bind to antigens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells, or by activating the complement system, which enhances their elimination. Complement system. The complement system consists of a group of proteins that work together to enhance the immune response. Activation of the complement system leads to the destruction of pathogens through processes such as opsonization, marking pathogens for phagocytosis, inflammation, and cell lysis. Cytokines. Cytokines are signaling molecules produced by various immune cells to regulate immune responses. They play a crucial role in coordinating the activities of different immune cells and mediating inflammation, immune cell proliferation, and differentiation. Immune response. The immune response can be broadly categorized into two types: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity. Innate immunity is the body's first line of defense against pathogens and is present from birth. It includes physical barriers, e.g., skin, mucous membranes, as well as cellular and molecular components such as phagocytes, natural killer cells, and the complement system. Innate immunity provides immediate, nonspecific protection against a wide range of pathogens. Adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity develops throughout life and involves a highly specific response to specific pathogens. It is characterized by the activation of B and T cells, which undergo clonal expansion and differentiation to produce a tailored immune response. Adaptive immunity also involves the development of immunological memory. allowing the immune system to mount a faster and more effective response upon re-exposure to the same pathogen. Regulation of the immune system. The immune system is tightly regulated to prevent inappropriate activation or excessive responses, which can lead to autoimmune diseases or chronic inflammation. Regulatory T cells, TREGs, play a key role in suppressing immune responses and maintaining immune tolerance to self-antigens. Disorders of the immune system. Immunodeficiency disorders. Immunodeficiency disorders result from defects or dysfunction in the immune system, leading to increased susceptibility to infections. Examples include primary immunodeficiencies, e.g., severe combined immunodeficiency, and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. Autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly targets and attacks the body's own tissues. Examples include rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus erythematosus, and multiple sclerosis. Allergic reactions. Allergic reactions occur when the immune system overreacts to harmless substances, allergens, such as pollen, pet dander, or certain foods. This can result in symptoms ranging from mild itching and sneezing to severe anaphylaxis. The immune system is a remarkable defense mechanism that safeguards the body against a myriad of pathogens and maintains overall health. Its intricate network of cells, tissues, and molecules work together in a coordinated manner to recognize and eliminate foreign invaders while maintaining tolerance to self. Understanding the immune system's structure, function, and regulation is crucial for developing strategies to prevent and treat immune-related disorders and enhance overall immune health.